your attention.
Hey!
Let's start.
Let's start!
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
I am everyone.
And
And I am proud
I am proud
of his rich
of his rich
heritage.
heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be
try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall go my
I shall go my
parents,
parents,
teachers and
teachers and
all elders
all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country and my people,
To my country and my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well,
In that way,
being and prosperity alone,
being and prosperity alone.
and treat
That's my.
that's my happiness.
That's my happiness.
And so.
Thank you.